Now look at the question carefully. A work can be completed by 40 workers in 40 days. Assume that each worker is doing 1 unit. Then 40 workers will do how many units per day? 40 units per day. Then total work will be equivalent to how much? 40 into 40. So total work equal to 40 into 40, that equal to 1600 units. 1600 units. Total work will be 1600 units. We are assuming that each worker will do 1 unit per day. Then 40 workers will do 40 units per day. In 40 days they will do 1600 units. Now according to the question, what is given? If 5 workers leave every 10 days, in how many days the work will be completed? It means every 10 days 5 members are reducing. Okay. Now look at the options. If you look at the options, the answer is lies in between 50 and 60. So let us take first 50 days. 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay. Now first 10 days how many people will work? 40 people. Second 10 days 35 people. Third 10 days 30. Fourth 10 days 25. And fifth 10 days 20. In the first 10 days they will complete 400 units of work. Okay, this is first 10 days. Second 10 days they will complete 35 into 10. How much? 350 units of work. Now in the third 10 days they complete 300 units of work. 30 into 10, 300 units of work. In the fourth, if you observe that 25 into 10, 250. In the fifth 10 days period they will do 200 units of work. If you add all together you will get 1500 units. So in 50 days they completed 1500 units. But what is the total work? 1600. Still how many units they have to do? 100 units they have to do. They have to do 100 units. Okay. Now let us go for the next set. Next set is how much? 10 days and 15 members are working. If these 15 members work for 10 days, they will do 150 units. But how many days are required? Only 100 units are required. So to do 100 units, to do 150 units, we are discussing only on the 6th 10th period. Okay, 6th period of 10 days. To do 150 units, they required 10 days. Okay, to do 50 units, otherwise to do 1 unit they require how much time? 10 by 150 days. But how many units are required? 100 units. To do 100 units they required 10 by 150 into 100. On simplification, 52s, 53s are getting 20 by 3, which is nothing but 6.66. 6.66 days. Okay. So in 6.66 days these 15 members will do 10 units of work, 100 units of work. Now earlier how many days are over? 50 days was over, and you have to add these 6.66 days. So the answer will be 50 plus 6.66, which equal to 56.66 days. The answer is option 3.